Alright, so I am Aidan. I am a rising junior at York Prep. For my starter project, I made a Simon Says game. It's it's powered by two AA batteries. There's a panel with 4 LEDs below it and 4 membrane buttons on there, which you can press and they light up. And there's 2 switches, one for power, one for sound. I have a resistor which applies resistance and makes it so that more voltage is necessary to flow for the electricity to flow, and 2 capacitors which store charge until it's needed, and then there's 2 batteries. I already said that, I think. Yeah, so challenges I faced were I accidentally had solder bridges on the points of the microcontroller, so I melted the extra solder into and pushed it back into where it should have been. And then after I put away the soldering iron, I noticed another place where I had a solder bridge, so I cut it with the snippers. It was here on the power switch. And then I also placed one of the battery holders wrong. So first I tried melting away the extra solder there so I could push it back into place, but it wouldn't really go away. So then I tried kind of snipping it off with the clippers, which I got a little bit off, but not much. And then I tried poking through it with one of the leads I'd cut off of these components, and I ended up poking my finger instead. And so then I tried doing it but holding it with the snippers instead so I wouldn't poke myself, but I still didn't really get very far. So then Jesse just suggested, why don't you bend the end of the battery holder so that it touches the battery, because that's what really matters in order to make it work. So she bent it for me, and now it works even though the battery is still the holder is still kind of tilted. I think I enjoyed the whole experience except for a minor solder burn and poking my finger, and I learned a lot from the whole thing. Thank you for watching. Here is the Simon game working, so let's turn on the sound just to make it more fun. Oh, I already messed up.